Let's make some cute little 3D birdhouses. I cut out the front, the back, the sides, and the bottom and baked them right on the tile because I wanted to make sure they stayed square. I'm using a little bit of super glue here to adhere the sides to the front and then the back to the sides. Next, I used a little bit more super glue to adhere the whole thing to the bottom. Since this is all going back into the oven, you'll see that next I used a little bit of liquid clay to reinforce all of the joints on the inside. So they're all going to be covered in liquid clay, and that dripped down and attached the whole house to the bottom. Just cutting out the roof here and adding a little hole so that I can stick my finding in, so that I can make these into really cute little earrings. I'm just folding the roof here so that I can stick it onto the house with a little bit of bakeable adhesive. I added liquid clay and a little polymer clay stick to the front before baking a second time. I colored in the details on the back with a paint pen and sealed with a thin layer of polyurethane. Here's all 3 sizes. What do you think?